Well, today's video is sponsored by Black Gold Compost Company. We want to thank the good people over at Black Gold for their generous donation of all this black cow manure that we're using in our video today. Thank you for sponsoring our channel. Well, UPS man just came and made a delivery for Nancy's new trees. Stick with us. We're going to talk about these new trees she's been wanting right after the break. Be right back. Well, welcome back, friends. Here's Nancy's new Guillembo persimmon trees. I don't know if I'm saying that right, Guillembo, but that's what they're called. These are the ones that get pretty big. They can get as big as a softball, but I don't know if these will get that big anytime soon. It's possible, but I'm saying that I'd say on the average, these trees will produce fruits that'll be somewhere in between a baseball and a softball. Little bit bigger than the usual persimmons that you normally see. And they're kind of teardrop shaped, and they're really soft and really sweet. This is Nancy's favorite persimmons. These are the ones that are pretty expensive when you go getting them in the Asian stores, and you buy them by the, the box. They can run up a pretty big bill. But Nancy loves these things, so she ordered a couple of these in the mail. I haven't ever ordered anything in the mail before for live plants other than onion sets and things like that. But Nancy got these and she's just tickled to get them. So I'm gonna put them in the ground for her. And these trees are gonna be installed out in our orchard. I've reserved 2 places for them. They finally came. We've been on back order for a long time waiting to get them, but they're here now. So we're going to install these in accordance with our video on how to plant a container grown fruit tree. Nancy will put a link to that video up at the end of this video for you. Check that out. I'm going to do it just like that. We're going to put these in the ground. These things get, to be about 15 feet high. So I got them 30 feet apart, in between the spacing. So the canopies will fine. They're self-fertile, so I could just grow one of these if I wanted to, but we're having 2. The only reason we're having 2 is Nancy wants a lot of them. It has nothing to do with cross-pollinating or anything like that. She just wanted 2 plants. They are self-fertile. These will grow fine in zone 7 through 9, and we're in zone 9A, so they're perfect for here. They're drought tolerant. They do well with a high humidity level, which is what we have, and they're good with the high heat. So we have all 3 of those. So these do well in our area here in Orange Springs, Florida. So we're going to be putting these in with high hopes, and we look forward to harvesting these somewhere around October and November of each year. So this is October of 2018. And this video is going to run a few years during the progression. So you'll watch these videos, watch these trees grow on our videos over the next few years until we complete this video. So this is 2018, getting them started in October. So we may see some fruit this time next year. So let's get these things opened up and let's see what we got in the mail. Things are quite heavy. So it looks like we got a 3-gallon tree. They look good and healthy. Okay. That was harder than it looked. Okay, we've got the trees unboxed, and I'm gonna pop them in the golf cart, and let's head on over to the orchard, and I'll put these in the ground. Let me get these installed and I'll be right back. Well, I got a pair of these Guillembo persimmon trees installed for Nancy. They're 4-gallon trees. I think I said 3-gallon when we first started, but I meant to say 4. They're the size of a 3-gallon container, only it's much deeper. That's a 4-gallon tree, but this they're not much difference in a 3 and a 4. These right here are in the ground, and we're going to watch the progression of these in the days ahead as they grow all the way up in several years together. So stick with us on this video. I'll be much older by the time we get through with this video. So we'll see you soon. Have a peaceful day. Well, here's Nancy's jumbo persimmon trees. They've been growing for 7 months. 7 months today. We planted these in October of 2018, and this is May the 1st of 2019. And they're finally starting to show some growth. It's shot up over my head. I'm 6 feet tall. It don't have any fruit on it yet, but you know, it's got some that are trying. So it's getting there. I would think that by this September and October, she may get her a few of them big old jumbos off of here. But we're looking forward to next year and the year after that when it really comes into, you know, its full glory. So we'll keep a watch on these and progress them as they develop in the months and years ahead, and share that with you. So we'll see you soon. Well, it's August of 2019, and Nancy's jumbo persimmons have started to put on some growth. They're getting some height. I'll top these out in the wintertime and get these pruned down, you know, to get them to flush out a little bit more horizontal rather than vertical. But these things are doing pretty good, and we know, you know, in the days ahead they'll come into their maturity where they actually start to produce those big old persimmons that Nancy just loves to eat. So we'll keep our eye on this together. I got a pair of them for Nancy, so we'll keep our eye on these two things as they mature, and we'll watch it together. So we'll see you soon. Well, good morning, Homestead family. Nancy's jumbo persimmons are really starting to get there this year. This is the last week of September of 2021, and we planted these jumbo persimmons in October of 2018. So it's been 3 years to get to this point today. So these things are really looking pretty good. Nancy's looking forward to eating these and making some cool little recipes out of them. But as you can see, the trees have just grown a tremendous amount, you know, in 3 little years. If you remember how skinny these things were when we were planting them, they were only 4-gallon trees when we got them. But they really put on. This is the first year they really put on fruit, so we're really looking forward to enjoying them. And this tree and that tree both have done well. This one seems to have more fruit on it, but all in all, I guess she's got 2 or 3 dozen persimmons out here she can pick from. So anyway, we're really excited. We're thankful for what the Lord has provided here, and I look forward to what Nancy's going to do with it. So we're going to thank the Lord for these beautiful persimmons today, and look forward to Nancy coming out here and picking these things and enjoying them. So until me and Nancy see you next time, always remember, by His hands we are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Amen.
Have a blessed day.